guys, I wanted to start making Nerf videos now, doing Nerf wars and different things like that, talking about different Nerf guns, and showing you how to mod some stuff. So, first to get off with, I want to show you my favorite Nerf gun, and it also has custom attachments that I've put on there. Hey guys, this is what it is. I'm staying here with the Recon CS6. And so what it is that I forget what gun these two were from. I got them from like Goodwill. I got this gun, the Recon, from Goodwill too, but I got, of course, the foregrip is from the Modulist, and the stock is from the Modulist, which I used these and put them all together, and it makes a really nice gun. So it's got a terrible hatch. I don't like it. It's really small. It's hard to move around with. So that's one thing. I also like the 6-dart clip I had in it. I like the duct tape I put on it. So yeah, I got these two for Christmas. So yeah, later in the future, I'm thinking about modding this.